What's going on, guys? It's me, Lindsay, with LindsayMoore.com. And in this video, I'm going to quickly talk about how you can earn an extra $4,000 in the next 45 days. And like I said, this is going to be a really quick video because there's not a lot of components to it. It's very simple to do. And if you watch any other video by any other internet marketer or YouTuber or anything like that, they all talk about this at some point. And this is kind of like the backbone to a lot of online businesses, okay? So, and this is a business all in itself, and it doesn't really cost you that much money to get started with, okay? So before we dive into it, I always tell people to do the math, right? Because when people think about $4,000 or when they think about $100,000 or whatever else, they think that it's such a huge, a huge thing, like a huge thing that they have to reach, right? And it's really not that big of a deal once you actually break down the numbers, right? So if you did $4,000 and you divide it by 30 calendar days, you just need to sell something make sales of $133 per day, and at the end of the month you will have met your goal of $4,000, okay? That is really simple to do, especially with the online marketing space, okay? So now I'm going to share with you this exact model that's going to help you to do that. And that is through email marketing, right? So this is something that, again, I know I have talked about inside of my videos, especially with the videos that I've done on how to make $100 per day, with no startup cost or whatever. And those videos, they get a lot of traffic. But you know what? To be honest, guys, those videos are some of the videos that I absolutely hate. The reason why I actually hate those videos because people are so focused on one part of that video instead of really kind of focusing on this part of the video, what I actually talk about in those videos. And like the last video I did about how to make $100 per day, I was telling people, like, you can find offers on Warrior Plus or JVZoo, and you will create like a capture page, and then you'll go to Facebook groups and you'll put that link to your capture page there or whatever else. And people got so focused on that portion of it that, I'm getting emails and people commenting and it's all types of crazy, like, well, I'm not making any money. Well, because you're only focused on one part of this strategy. The part of that $100 per day strategy is you're going to go to Facebook groups, you're going to put your link there, and guess what's going to happen more than you're going to get sales? You're going to get leads, right? You're going to start building an email list. And now that those people are on your email list, if you nurture your email list and you provide value, then you can actually sell other products on the back end in through your emails, even high ticket products, right? So many people are focused on like the low ticket products, especially like on Warrior Plus. A lot of those products, like, the entry to that product may be like $2, $7, $12, and they may have like some back end products that, go up to like $50, $100, $200 or whatever else. Did you understand, like, if you do email marketing and you build that relationship with your email list, that you can actually find high ticket offers that you can promote to your list, meaning like $1,000 offers, $2,000 offers, and whatever else. Especially when they do like affiliate marketing launches, a lot of those, can be anywhere from like $2,500 plus, right? Depending on who's promoting it or whatever. Not promoting, but who's the actual vendor for that product. So that's the part people sleep on. People sleep on the part where the actual maintaining of the email list and actually making sales on the back end, because they're so focused on trying to make that $2 or that $7 sale up front in a Facebook group. So if you understand this part of it, the email marketing part of it, you will have success, right? So all you need to start with the email marketing business is a capture page system, right? You also need an autoresponder and an offer. Now the capture page systems, usually they have like free trials, like ClickFunnels has like a 14-day trial. You have other capture page systems out there. They probably have a free trial, or maybe it's a low cost to entry, right? Then also with the autoresponder, Aweber is $1 for the first 30 days before they start charging you $19.99 per month. Get Response, I think, is free for the first 30 days or something like that. So again, you're not really coming out of your pockets that much in the beginning to set up an email marketing business. And then an offer, you can just find an offer, like I mentioned, like on JVZoo and all these stuff like that, to find different offers to promote with your email marketing business. So all you would need to do to get started is you need to determine what niche you want to promote in. So like for me, I'm in the make money online, make money from home niche or whatever. So you can choose that niche. You can also choose a niche like health and fitness. Choose a niche that has a lot of people in there, right? They have a lot of people that's inside of that niche, and they also have a lot of products that you can offer to, to your list once you start building up that list, okay? But that's all you need to get started with the email marketing business, right? So this is like the basics of it. Should have deleted this stuff, right? So this is all you need to do. You need to have an opt-in page, right? So on your opt-in page, you're going to give away something for free in order to get in exchange for that person's email address. So now once you have that person's email address, it's going to land them on a thank you page. Now on the thank you page, it can serve as many ways, right? So like for me, if I'm creating an opt-in that's solely to build up my email list, on my thank you page, it may just be like, hey, thank you so much. Check your email for that freebie that I sent you. And then here's an invite to my Facebook group. And now once they're inside of my Facebook group, I'm able to actually build that relationship and build rapport with those people. And so now when they came in as a cold lead here, where they had no idea who I was, and then they land here and they join my group, now they can turn into a warm or a hot lead because now they're seeing me consistently. They see me provide value. They see me provide tips that's going to help them to make more money online. And it's going to help me to get sales on the back end, right? Or if you're going to be doing like an affiliate offer from like JVZoo or Warrior Plus, you can actually put the link right here to that offer, and they'll take them right to this offer here. You can also do like a video where you're talking about who you are. You know, let them know to expect more emails from you or whatever else. So again, once you do that, again, you're taking them from a cold lead to a warm lead because now they know who you are. They know, you know, that you're going to be sending them more emails about value or whatever. And if you had a personal experience with that particular product, that's even better because you can include that in your video. Like, hey, I want to let you guys know about this particular offer because it's helped me to generate X amount of dollars inside of my business, or helped me to lose X amount of weight, you know, in the last 30 days or whatever. So now they're going to feel a little bit more comfortable because now there's a testimonial attached to it. And then by the time they come to this offer, they may or may not buy. But at the end of the day, you will still have them on your email list, right? So now that you have them on your email list, it's your duty to make sure that you are providing value. Don't use your email list as a way to just slam offers to your email list. You know, send value, right? So like in the Make Money Online niche, create you know, value emails where you're letting people know how to make $100 per day without any links in that email, right? Or how they can generate free leads using their Facebook profile or whatever else. You can do value-based emails like that, and then you can do like maybe like 2 or 3 value-based emails back to back, and then that 4th email can be a pitch. Now it can be a pitch to the original offer that you put here. It can be a pitch to another affiliate product. It can be a pitch to a high-ticket product where you like the commissions are like, you know, 50%, so you're getting like $500 commissions, $1,000 commissions, or whatever else from that high-ticket offer. So that's the whole purpose of a email marketing business. And it's so simple to do and so simple to set up. And again, this is still going to be the backbone for anybody's business. So affiliate marketing is the same kind of thing. They have your email list, right? They're building up that email list. Internet marketing, or somebody who's doing coaching or consulting, it's the same way. It's built the same way. Because most people, when they go through your opt-in page and they get to your offer, more than likely they're not going to buy it off the first time. They have to see things at least 7 to 12 times before they take any type of action. So that's where your emails come in, right? That's where you start providing value and you sell them on the back end. That's what happens right there. So with email marketing, so some of the tools that you can use, again, you need a capture page system. So you can do lead pages, ClickFunnels, Power Lead System. I have all 3 of those. And if you want, I'll put the links below this video so you can go ahead and take action on those trials with each of those, whichever one you want to move forward with. The one thing about Power Lead System has a autoresponder built into it. So that way you can don't have to pay for another autoresponder. You can just use Power Lead System, and their in-house autoresponder can hold up to like 30,000 emails. Okay, so that's really good if you're really low on funds. You definitely want to look at that option. For your traffic sources, it's Facebook groups, forums, YouTube videos, Bing ads, Facebook ads. There's so many ways to get traffic, but that's just to give you an idea where you can start. Some of the places where you can find offers: JVZoo, Warrior Plus, ClickBank, Market Health, Max Bounty, Offer Vault. There's so many places that you can go and find different offers for your niche. And what I didn't put here is like your autoresponder. So again, you can choose Aweber, you have Get Response, you have SendLane, you have Market Hero. You have so many different ones out there. But if you're low on funds, then definitely take advantage of the free trials that come with either Aweber or Get Response, right? And again, guys, that's all you need in order to start an email marketing business. So if you understand the concept that, you know, you want to get people through your opt-in page and you want to get them on your email list, sometimes people may buy, right? But even if they don't, you're building an email list. You're building an actual asset that if you nurture that list and you provide value and then you do some sales, you can easily hit $4,000 in 45 days. It's people who are generating, you know, $400 to $500 per day, $1,000 per day just from their email list. And that's not even promoting anywhere on their social media or anything like that. They could send a broadcast to their email list and generate income. That's how powerful this is, okay, guys? So hopefully you found this video helpful, guys. If you have any questions, make sure you comment below. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and also hit that notification bell so you can get updates when I do more videos like this on YouTube. Go ahead and do those things, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.